Less than a week after winning the Women's World Cup, Spain's national team players announced Friday that they will not play any more games unless the president of the country's soccer federation steps down for kissing player Jenni Hermoso on the lips after their victory. Spanish soccer boss Luis Rubiales on Friday refused to resign for his act, which led to the outcry, the national team to mutiny, and the government to denounce the president's macho actions. The kiss marked the title celebrations in Sydney, Australia on Sunday, and criticism has steadily mounted. The team announced the decision in a joint statement released by all 23 of the cup-winning squad, including Hermoso. In the same statement, Hermoso denied Rubiales' contention that the kiss he gave her at the medal ceremony after Spain beat England 1-0 in the final in Sydney, Australia, was consensual. "I do not tolerate it when my word is put into doubt, and less so when words that I have not said are invented," she wrote. Later in a statement on social media on Friday, Hermoso added, "I felt vulnerable and a victim of aggression. I was simply not respected." She said she had been put under continuous pressure to justify Mr. Rubiales' actions by the RFEF. She added that the incident was the final straw in a long list of situations that players had been denouncing for years. At an emergency meeting of the Federation, Rubiales had been widely expected to stand down, but instead he said he refused to quit and complained that false feminists were trying to kill him. He called the kiss a little peck that was spontaneous, mutual, euphoric, and consensual. "Is a consensual peck going to take me out of here? I won't resign. I will fight until the end," said Rubiales, 46, drawing applause from the predominantly male audience. The comments and reaction from the audience was widely scorned on social media. Criticism of Rubiales' behavior after Spain's win has built throughout the week, and acting Labour Minister Yolanda Diaz called the speech on Friday unacceptable. She wrote on social media, "The government must act and take urgent measures. Impunity for macho actions is over. Rubiales cannot continue in office." Acting Equality Minister Irene Montero said that the state prosecutor and the state-run sports council CSD should act to protect Hermoso. FIFA opened disciplinary procedures against Rubiales on Thursday after Hermoso said in a statement her union was working to defend her interests and that such acts should never go unpunished. The government said it had started a proceeding to take Sunday's incident before a sports tribunal. If it can be proven that the kiss was non-consensual, Rubiales could even be tried under sexual violence law introduced by the ruling socialists last year. A tribunal would have 7 members, 3 of them women, and Francos said that the CSD could suspend Rubiales during the investigation if the tribunal agrees. Gender issues have become a prominent topic in Spain in recent years. Tens of thousands of women have taken part in street marches protesting sexual abuse and violence. The coalition government has presided over legal reforms, including around equal pay, abortion, sex work, and transgender rights.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.